Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the concept of sexual reproduction in plants, and to understand that concept I have taken this fun-filled model made with a bottle cap, a sanitizer tube, a phryum, and I have kept some ajwain seeds inside it. And you can see this black thing here, this is nothing but a mustard seed. Okay, so let's try to understand the concept of sexual reproduction in plants with the help of this model. Now if you all have understood the concept of pollination, if you have watched my previous videos, so the next step after pollination in plants is fertilization. Okay, now what happens in fertilization, that pollen grains from anther, they come to the stigma part of the flower. So this cap represents the stigma part of the flower, and this yellow lentil is nothing but the pollen grains. Okay, now these pollen grains, they will develop a tube. Okay, so a pollen grain has developed a tube. Inside the pollen grains, inside the pollen tube, you have male gamete. You can see here this black structure. Okay, this tiny black thing, this is nothing but a male gamete. Male gamete is nothing again but a male sexual cell. Okay, all right, so this male gamete is present in pollen tube. Okay, all right, now what happens that this male gamete, this goes inside the ovary. Now what is this phryum? This is nothing but the ovary of a flower. Okay, inside the ovary, you all know we have ovules. Okay, now inside the ovules we have female gamete cell. So you want to see what is there inside this phryum? That means inside this your ovary. All right, so we have this. Okay, as I told you, I've kept some ajwain seeds. Okay, and this is nothing but your ovules. Now inside these ovules you have a female gamete cell, a female sex cell. Okay, now this female sex cell and your male gamete, okay, they fuse together and something like this happens. Okay, all right, so imagine this black thing is nothing but a male gamete, and this white thing is nothing but a female gamete. Okay, a female sex cell. So both the cells, they have fused together and they have formed a zygote. Okay, this is called a zygote. Okay, all right, now this zygote further develops into an embryo. Now I will show you an embryo also. This is nothing but a embryo. Okay, right, the baby plant which grows out of a seed is nothing but an embryo. Okay, so this develops from the zygote only, and this happens when the fertilization occurs, that is when the sexual reproduction in plants occurs. Okay, so let's try to understand the definition of fertilization. The fusion of male gamete with the female gamete is called fertilization. So this is the second step after pollination. All right, so as I just represented the bottle cap with stigma and the pollen grains, I will just show you the stigma part of a datura flower. Okay, this is the stigma part of a datura flower where the pollen grains will come and they will grow their tubes. So this is the style, this is the style. Okay, the pollen tube will grow inside this style only. Okay, and this style, you all know, goes where? It goes inside the ovary. Okay, so this is nothing but the ovary of your datura flower. Okay, so this is how, you know, I have tried to represent that model using different things, and these are the real parts of the datura flower. You all want to see what is a datura flower? This is your datura flower. Okay, all right, so let's try to understand this concept with the help of this diagram also that I have drawn here. This diagram is generally available in all the science books. So see here, this is nothing but the stigma of the flower. These balls are nothing but the pollen grains. Pollen grain has developed a tube. Inside the tube you have male gamete. This male gamete will go inside the ovary. This is nothing but the ovary of the flower. This part is ovule. Inside the ovule what do we have? We have a female gamete, that is a female sex cell. So this male gamete, this female gamete, they will fuse together. We will have a zygote, and the zygote will further develop into a embryo, or you can say a baby plant. So this is the concept of fertilization, and this is the second step of sexual reproduction in plants after pollination. So dear students, thanks for watching. I hope you all have understood this concept beautifully and clearly. Thanks for watching.